Hi guys, this is gonna be a bit of a different video. I just bought a really cool Lego set. It's that, I don't know if you guys can see it. But basically it's just gonna be a time lapse of me building it and maybe just driving it and stuff. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna go and eat dinner and then time lapse is gonna continue. And time lapse. Okay, so I've been building for a very long time and it's now 10:25, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna carry on in the morning. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys then. Bye. Okay, so it's now the next day. There's not really much else to say, but time lapse. Okay, you guys wouldn't believe how long this took me to make. It's insanely big. I haven't even tested it yet, but I thought maybe I'd put on the tires with you guys. So, yeah. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's absolutely massive. But I thought I would do the tires with you guys so you can see the sort of like final product. But these are some very beefy tires. One down. I've been recording for so long with time lapse. I still can't believe that I'm sort of at the end. The body work went quite quickly though. That was... This is doing it for the content. 4 down, 2 to go. So for Christmas, I got a Porsche, like a Technic Lego Porsche. It's a 911, I think. So this I bought with my own money, and of course there's not a sponsor for the video, but I thought I would video it. But if you guys enjoyed so far, well, make sure to tell me in the comments if they're turned on. I don't know, there's this weird thing where they don't turn on, and I don't know how to fix it. Okay, first tire going on. This thing is so heavy. Wait a second, because this is the hydraulic system, so if I can lift it using this. Okay, there's that one. I don't know how to get at this one. Okay, that did nothing, but still. It looks cool. Yes, first tire down. Second tire down. I reckon we do the front ones and then so when I was building this, the gearbox on this thing is absolutely insane. There's so many gears in it. Because there's quite a few functions that this thing has. Damn. I quite like it just with 4 wheels on. Last wheel. There we go. So now that I have all of those on, and we put them through there and put them on. That looks cool. This thing is absolutely insane. And I mean, it's massive. It's longer than my arm. truck. It looks sick. Like, look at that thing. Okay. Okay, and now I'm just doing the remote. Okay, I finally got it. Cool. The remote is on. Okay, so right, I need to drive. What? Why isn't it turning? This is sick. Yo. Don't know why it didn't turn though. I didn't connect it properly. This is so cool. Okay, let's try it like I know. This thing okay. So it turns out there wasn't actually anything wrong. It's just these settings on the sides are a little bit strange. So I got the drive settings, so yeah, but then I tried to switch it to the crane and I messed around with it and nothing happened. But that's because this side was in neutral. So if I go, we'll do like this, and then you guys can see that the feet are coming out. So this, the real like trucks have, so when the crane picks something up, it won't sort of like tip over, and then yeah, the crane can move from side to side and up. But something that really sucks is that I did something wrong with mine, and the hook can't go down. So I either have to move the whole arm down, or I have to manually do it. But the way that I manually do it is just, there's like a little cog on this side. It's yeah. Okay, there. So it's this one. So I'm pretty sure you can see it going up and down. Yeah. But I'm gonna run it through some tests and just see what it can do. So yeah. Oh, my parents are. Okay, that is to move the cranes. If we do, I need to. Okay, there we go. I'm picking the feet up. Now, we're gonna try a bit of a speed test. Okay, this is the speed test. So, I'm gonna time it on my watch. Sorry, I'm just setting it up. Okay, speed test in 3. Oh, by the way, it's going. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so speed test in 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. 10 seconds. Not bad. So now we're gonna try sort of like a bit of how much it can pull. So basically how much horsepower it has. What I love about this is that when I drive, I don't know if you guys can see the pistons in the engine going up and down. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Is my Porsche 911 RSR. So, okay. There we go. Okay, that's as low as it can go, so the real version of this truck can take 30 tons, and the weight of a real Porsche 911 RSR is about 1.5 tons. Okay, there we go. I have picked up the Porsche. So far, so good. Okay. Okay, another big test. Can it drive? It can. Okay, I guess that's another one. Okay, so this is going to be the off-road test. I have to do it with one hand though, so I'm going to have to stop every time I want to turn. I mean, I suppose I could try. Okay, doesn't like grass at all. Come on. Okay, we're gonna try a bit of an easier route. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Okay. Okay, I can't do much of an off-road test because it's now raining, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye! Okay, so me and my dad managed to get the hook working. So yeah, basically, I don't know if you guys can see it going down, but it works pretty well. It just takes quite a while though. But I can lift pretty heavy stuff if I... So I put like a pocket knife on there. And quite easily managing to lift it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I'm pretty sure I've already said this. You guys know the gist. Bye!